guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is Lovely of Lovely Budgets HK. Welcome to my happy place. Happy Monday everyone. It's the starting of the week and I hope you have a great week. So before I start, please, if you heard me stuttering when I'm talking, that's normal for me because my first language is not English, is Filipino. And English is not my favorite subject when I'm studying. So my grammar is not that good. Sometimes I said is, sometimes I said are, or anything that you can imagine on a wrong grammar. Okay, but anyway, as long as you understand what I'm saying, I'm happy and I can continue talking in English. Just be aware that I'm not that good at it. So, all right, without further ado, let's start. So, for mini saving challenge, what I'm going to save here, as you can see here, I put some stickers here: butterfly, ladybug. Okay. So, what we're gonna save here is $30. So, this is the cash, and I put it in here, and I will stretch it out by using prop money. So, this is $30. So, 5, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. I have here 8 challenges, and let the dice decide which challenges we need to put money on. So let's shuffle this money first. Okay, so let's start. Roll the dice. Let's the dice decide. So 5, 2, 4. So 5 is $2. 7, 6, 7, 6. Go back here. 8, 2, 3, spicy 5 is 4. Okay, here. 7, 4, 8. Last one. Oh, spicy. And 6, 1. Last one. 6, 6. Okay, let's see how much get for. So for Mel's challenge, this is from Mel of Momshi Queen. So I put here, there's $2 here, so we need to cross this out. So just one, so $2, a total of $7. Okay, you can find this on her coffee shop. This is from Mel of Momshi Queen. And so for this one is from, didn't get anything today too. Yeah, so it's from Budgeting by Dina US. So it's still $9. Didn't get anything today. Sorry. And for this one, this is from Christy Budgets, a fellow Filipino cash stopper, but cash, cash stopper, but she's not doing videos now. So, but she's still on TikTok. If you want to look for her in TikTok, the name is Christy Budgets. So each bird is $5. So what we save here is for $13. So 5, 10, so an additional of 2. So it means it's 3. No? So we cannot cross this out because as you can see each icon is $5. The mini saving challenges that you see in here is all on my stash or I already printed out. That's why I use it now and I don't want to waste it and the creation. So I save for this and all of the money I'll save in here, I will put it on our debt payment. Okay, for this one we save here $7 and each icon here is $3. So 3, so total of how much? 12. So 4 icon. 1, 2, no, 3 icons. No, 4 icons. 3, 6, 9, 12. Okay, that's correct. So this one, I will change it into real money. By the way, this is from Caffeine Fixed Budget, Loisa. They are a long time cash stopper, a Philippine cash stopper, but they don't do YouTube video now, but they're still in TikTok and they're selling some budgeting or cash stopping items as well. So for this one is from Rox Budgets. This is free from her coffee shop. So we save here $2 and let's cross $2 here. Next one is from Cathy, of course, Budgets. So this has $7. Oh, she get more. She's the winner of today's mini saving challenge. So $7. Let's cross this out. This is available on her Etsy shop, but we got it for free. Okay, the total amount here is 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, $9. No, 10. Should be 10. I'm missing one, so 3 plus 7 is 10, right? Why I miss one? Anyway, I miss one. Maybe I put it somewhere else. Let's just check it and just change it here. Alright, for this one is from Lay Budget or Lay Budget. She's also a Filipino cash stopper. I think she's active in TikTok as well. It's Tag-Ulan Saving Challenge. Each cloud or each icon is cost $1 and we save here $4 this time again. So let's cross out 4 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tag-ulan means rainy day. Rainy, yeah. Tag-ulan is rainy season. And number 8, for this eighth one is Simply Living Saves. So each icon is $2. So I have here $7 and a total of $11. So let's cross 11, so 5 and half. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, 11. Wow, no. You see me? I did it wrong again. Anyway, for your FYI, if you're watching my videos, make sure that there's a mess or there's a mistake. So this is not my channel. If there's no mistake or there's no confusion. So it's okay. So it's $9, not 10. Okay. 8. So this is not 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Okay. Sorry about that. So mini saving challenge is done. And let's move this in here for the prop money that we use on this challenge, on this mini saving challenge. All right. So for the next one, it's going to be the monthly saving challenges and yearly saving challenges. So what we have here, so what we're gonna save today are 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. Let's take out this. 120. I hope we don't use prop money. Let's see. And I will not start in here. I will start on the monthly saving challenges that I got here because I missed it last time. So we finished it here last time and last week. And this time we go to Christy of CW Does Life. It's a roll and save, I think. Yep. There's a card that's part of this challenge, but I will not use the card. This is from January to December. You can do a low income or a tiny one. You can do whatever dice you prepared. So for me, I prefer six-sided dice. And let's roll. So one. Let me finish this whole January. So one. Wow, thank you. So low income. Five, six, five, and one. So a total of 10, $19. So $19. This is done. So let's save here $19. And we don't have a coin. I don't want to use coins or prop mine. Let's see. So we just put here 20 then. So next time I will change it if there's a if we have to. So I will not keep the money. So I will reallocate the money at the end of the year. So let's just keep it in here. And for this one is from Myra of Cash and Color Budget. So this one is $26. So I think we badly need the prop money here. So two. Okay, let's do this 10. 10. So this one is $26. So let's finish this. Finish. Complete this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So yeah, $26. 20 and 6. Again, this is from Myra of Cash and Color Budget. I will come back if I still have money to save for this one. And this one is from, the next one is from cute budgets. Cute budgets. This is $40. So let me see if I have $40. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Yeah, 40. So let's finish this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Because I need to catch up, so I'll finish the monthly saving challenge first, the monthlies. Okay. So, sorry. Okay, so that's done here. And last one for the monthlies. This is from Lauren of Miss L. Thomas. This is a set. It's free. It's free on her coffee shop. It's a bunch. So from Year of Saving. So the front section actually is, yeah, this one. But I will not save for this. I will just save for the monthly one. So it's comes with this winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Okay, and the monthlies. So I will just save the monthlies one. So let's start with January. $50. We don't have $50, so let's save here. 1, 2, 30, 20. Okay, let's cross this out. 8, 8 plus 9, 17 plus 3. Okay, 20. So here, I save here $20 for today. I don't have enough envelope for A5. I just ordered and hasn't delivered yet. So, and then for the front one, so, okay, so let's save here. Let's save here the rest of the $4. $14. Okay, let's save here $14. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14. Okay, $14. I will not count how much I save in here. I'll count it at the end of the year. So last $10 here goes to oh no. So that's it, lovelies. We save $120, and this one is prop money, so I put it in here. So next week I will do the other one that we didn't put money on. So we start with him here, going to here. So I'll just let you know which one. Okay. So next week we're going to do my own creation of Save 2026. It's available on my copy shop, and let's put the mark here, and as well as this one by Amy by Nature, and no release budgets, and Kimi's underscore corner is for save 275 in 2026. And I will do again this one from Nita of the Organized Owl, and as well as Miss Judy's one, which is save 25 per month in 2026. Each icon is $5. And this one as well, it's a freebie membership freebie that she sent me. So each icon is $2. And after I finish this or completed this, I will do the scratch off. So for rocks, I will do it next week. And for Lady Di also, I'll do it next week. So At least I catch up for the other monthly saving challenge here. That's it for now, lovelies. Bye for now and see you later. Be humble and grateful. Make saving a habit. Bye. Love you. Bye. Take care.